Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. Now, these things come in handy. Hopefully, everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. And we're about to show you. This is coming from Solla Direct, I believe. Here's a name. Solla Direct. These are the LED floodlights. Oh, baby. We got energy saving, long lifespan, easy to install, 100 wattage, IP68 waterproof. Oh boy. Here's what the back looks like. This is what happens, and you've got to click the link down below, add it to your cart. They'll check out really fast, and they'll ship this to you fast. Holy smokes. Oh boy. I have no idea what I'm going to hook this up to, but solar warranty. Here's what they look like. So what does it do? Whoa. You can mount these anywhere. And this will help in case you guys have heavy flooding in your area. So you got the bar stand right there. Solar. Then we're going to test it out in a few seconds. And here we go.